Jim Fix. So there's my fix for the open optical cable that would just kind of run up the wall like they do. I mean, they're in a hurry. Techs just want to run the wire, just like this telephone wire from old AT&T, which is going to be gone here in a minute. But they had optical cable going into the house, coming out of here, and it's kind of ran along the wall up this path. I replaced it with a conduit. Arguably that's pretty damn ugly because it's a snake of a path. I guess I could have gone straight up. Oh well, that's what it is. Remove the old AT&T DSL. It's not in our area. They want to run fiber out to keep up with the goofy Google Fiber. Removing this old Time Warner box. I buried the cable on the ground in case for whatever reason, but get rid of that wall box. That's ugly as shit. And telephone is gone next. Bye-bye, Southwestern Bell, you old fart. Cleaned up wall. Only the necessities. Someday we'll get rid of gas when we get on demand if we ever do that. With Goofy and electric and gas. The essentials.